Okay, so as promised, the new site is ready for you. It's also based on WordPress, so you can edit it as you got used to it. Now, let me explain how you can edit all the things that you see on the site. So let's see the first part about the properties, how you're going to edit, add, or remove all the properties which are inside. So on the left side, you will have on the menu when you log in the website. I will send you the credentials when we move the site. So you will have the properties section, as you can see. So if you click on all properties, you will have all the demos installed inside. So if you want to remove them, which you are going to do, you just click here on the top, click on bulk actions and move to trash, and then click to apply. So it will delete all the old ones, and they are not going to be any of these which are a demo property. So let me show you how to add a property. So here you can edit or add new types of properties. So for example, I've added apartment, house, villa. You can add whatever you want. Here is also property status for rent, for sale, or whatever do you need. You can add it here by just typing the name, the slug, that's the URL. You just type the same thing and click on and new property status. It's the same thing for all these features. So if it's the property feature, you still can delete all of this, and I will delete them because these are the demo ones, and I will put one new so you see how it works. So for example, if there's a new property feature like pool, I will add pool and click add new property feature. You can add as much as you want, as much as you need. That's up to you. As for the property label, you can just see that I will delete this demo, and you can put a label on the image, for example, one-time price or whatever. Just copy and paste the same thing, click on add property label. Here you can type the province, whatever you choose, you just pick up and just do it. The same thing is for city. You can just, I will delete this one and write London, for example. And that's it. Now we have a London. So let's just go in and add a new property. So you will see all the details how it's filled in. So you click here and go to add new. And let's call this property fantastic house for rent. You can write here a description, whatever you want to write there. So it's pretty much on your side. You definitely need to check all these options. It's a house, it's for rent, it has a pool or it hasn't. You can add a new property feature, for example, I don't know, air condition, for example, and click add new property feature. You can add a label on it. Again, you can type here a new label, say great deal, for example, and like this it will be automatically checked. You just need to pick up a city, say London, and you need to add a featured image. What is a featured image? That's the first image which is shown when you list the property. So let's do this. Click here, and you can upload the new one from your computer or just pick one from the library. I will just pick one from the library and click set on featured image. Now there's another thing. over here you need to pick up the price. So let's say this is 2,000 pounds per week, for example. Or you can put here a price label before, the price label after. So I will say here 2,000 pounds per week. You have a description over here so you know what to do. If you click on this button, it will be price and coal. Then you need to fill in the size in square feet, land area 10, whatever, rooms 3, bedrooms 1, bathrooms 1, garages 1, size of the garage. You don't need to fill all this. As for the year built, again, you don't need to fill this, but I will do it. As for property ID, that's your ID that you want to write in. As for the location part, you will need to pick up an address. So address is whatever you say here. I will just pick up London. You just type here the address and choose when it says here. Floor plans, you can enable floor plans and add the prices. Here you add images of the property. So this is a gallery. So you pick upload new files, or again you can choose and add more images here. I will just choose randomly and say use these images. You can add a property video, you can add a virtual tour, and then an agent and a private note, whatever. So you have everything. And so when you fill this, you just click on publish, and your new property is published. So if you want to see the same property, you just click on view property here, and we can see it. That's our new property. Here's the image, here's the gallery, description, price, map, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you add properties inside. Now let's speak about how you can edit pages. It's very simple. So you just go to the right page that you want to edit and click here, edit with Elementor. You click on there. Wait to load up. Now this is a dynamical thing, so you can't change this. It will be posted here as you add properties. For example, you can change this text. You just click on a pen, change this text into whatever. I will just do fast search so you get the feeling. This form is already built, so you can't change it. You can change this also by clicking on heading and change this text. Again, here click on a pen, change the text, and when you wrap everything up, just click on update and it will be updated. So it's pretty much straightforward for every page that you see on the site. So if we're going to go ahead and click on, for example, about us, you just click edit with Elementor. Again, click on pen and go to the description part. Here's the text that you need to change. When you do it, click on a green update. You've done it. That's pretty much it. Thank you, sir. If you need me, you know where to find me.